Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set up a simple CRM in ClickUp. So what we're going to do is we create ourselves a nice page. So we click on plus icon and we call this one, for example, CRM, and then we click here on continue. Then we do starter, and now it's creating right here our space. Then right now we can click on the three dots, and then we go right here to templates, and then we do apply a template. And then we search right here for CRM. Then you see right here that templates by ClickUp, so he supported templates. And if you can see right here, we are searching now in the sales and CRM. So decide for yourself which one you want to use. So account hub, bonus matrix, business directory, client success, or all hands meeting. You can decide for yourself which one you want to do. So let's do right now the account hub, and then we do right here, use this template. Call this template CRM, and then we go further to use template. And then right now he's loading the template right here to ClickUp. So you see right here the loading bar, and now here we are. So right now you can start with your CRM, and now we use the template that was looking the best for us. So right now we can set our own. So right now we can set up our own CRM from here, and this is what you need to know to set up a simple CRM in ClickUp. So if you have any questions about it, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.